But I also see this next sorority. Okay. Wait, hold up though. I got a little beef with y'all. Because I interviewed to be a houseboy, and I got a no. It was tough. Now that is settled, give it up for the lovely ladies of Sigma Kappa.
You.